Hello guys, today I will take you to Soigao. I have there some work and let's explore further what happened. I will show you if something exciting and very interesting I will come across. I will definitely show you. So here's my nephew Pinku and this is a little girl Chilwa. And here we have got on the scooty and let's go. Go slowly, Pinku. Laila chalabi. Hello, medium jadi mana? Buji ba So the weather is very cool today. It's not hot, so it's very comfortable to go out in such a weather. So here, let me talk you about this little girl. So this little girl is one of the tuition students, and she came to our house to take her tuition because my elder sister gives her tuition. So now the tuition is done and on the way her house is situated, so I will drop her. So here this is the rider Pinku. This is the rider Pinku. Yes.
Pinku Bayan.
So Gargi, how is your feeling? How are you feeling? Are you feeling great?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like to talk something?
No.
About anything?
No.
Please talk about anything. About yourself. No, don't be shy. Please talk about yourself, that what do you do and what class you are reading and whatever you like to say. Say.
কি কৈছে কবুল বান
তোমাৰ নিজৰ বিষয়ে ক'ব দিছো পটত কোৱা ইংলিছত কৈ দিয়া তুমি কি ক্লাছত পঢ়ি আছা তুমি কি ভাল পোৱা কি তোমাৰ হবি কি তুমি
মকবা নাজানো ইংলিছ
পটত কোৱা ভুল হ'লেও হ'ব কথা নাই কোৱা
মই নাজানো ইংলিছ
মাই নেম ইজ এনেকৈ ক'ব নোৱাৰা নেকি
My name is Gargi Kolita.
And what is your hobby? What is your hobby, Gargi?
Mana?
What do you like to do in your spare time, in your free time? What do you like to do?
Iwata gumoy.
Yes.
Play.
You like playing. So what kinds of games do you like to play? What kinds of game? Do you like video games or the outdoor games like cricket, volleyball, badminton? What kinds of games?
Dala yung sasok.
No. Tell me only one.
Kelam.
Carom. Okay. You like carom. So with whom do you play usually?
Mana?
With whom do you play usually?
Mana ki besi
You play with your sister or your mother or your father or with whom? You play with?
Mana gano?
You play with your sister.
Sister.
Okay. Let's stop here
Play.
and let her get off the scooty.
Bye bye.
Bye. Again say bye. Okay. Let's restart the journey. So here we have dropped her and again our journey have started here. At Soigam, actually I have to go to Dutch bank and there I will have to deposit some money because my bank is completely out of money. I think only 5-10 rupees are there. A little fast. Go a little fast. Fast. Okay. So I have to do that, and apart from that, I have nothing actually. And in bank, actually, I have to do something for my sister as well. And apart from that, we have to have something there, something like snakes. So here, this is the main road. We have got the main road finally. So the place is like this. It looks like this. I'll try to show you. Okay, let the car go. All the cars go. All the cars go, and there is auto as well. I think you can go. You can go. You can go. So yeah. So here we have got across the road, and we are going towards. Go faster, a little faster. So friend, the weather is really very cool today, and in such a weather on two-wheelers it's very, very nice to take a ride. Not a little hot I am feeling, and I would like to say something about my this work related to my this work, like for vlogging. In the last vlog you might have heard from me that I hadn't purchased any equipment like vlogging tripod, but finally we have got this tripod. I ordered this online, and finally we have got it, and now we are going slowly. Actually, okay, not a problem. So here you can dhaba. This is dhaba. We are about to get this place, and this place is called Chandika. And here there is a temple as well. And someday I will definitely show you this place. We will get through this road where you can go to the temple. So we'll definitely go there. Eventually guys, we have entered Soigaon, and this is the place. It looks like this. And here at Soigaon, twice a week the market is held, and we often come here. Actually my father often comes. I go to talk about myself, I barely come here to buy the groceries. I sometimes come. So this is the place I would like to show you. From this part it has started the marketplace. The both side you can see, the alongside only the institutions and many other things like shops, stalls and everything. Here you can see there is a temple as well, small temple. So we have to go a little more. Here this is so jam actually, as you can see this place, because this is a crossroad. This is cross area. This block road comes here, and from that side also that road comes here. And here the vendors are here. They are selling their stuffs, and many stalls are there. You can see the buildings and the people, the crowd, how many things are there. Now you can see how big traffic there is right here. We have to follow the front car. So guys, this is the middle place of the market, and there are many vendors. You can see that all around the people. Some people are buying, some people are selling, some others are waiting for their customers. The tom-tom, and these days everywhere these tom-toms. Tom-toms means if you don't know this, and this is the e-rickshaw. So we can say this tom-tom as well. And we have to cross this bridge now to get the bank. So guys, now we have to park our scooty. Let's stop here. Take a side. Okay. Let me see the place, parking place. You come here. So that's my nephew. He is coming here. Actually, he is new to this kind of place. He have no idea about. Come here. He have no idea about this place because I don't mean that he haven't been here. He have been here many times, but he haven't ride in such a place actually. That's why he's a little scared of this place. So now I will park here. Let's park here. Okay. Who is parking? My scooty over here. That's Pinku. Okay. हो जाएगा. Now he's parking. Make sure you have logged. Make sure you have logged. Yes, and turn it off as well because it makes the scooty more safe. Now we are about to cross this road because over there the bank lies. As you can see, this is a very busy road, so we have to be careful about crossing this road. I have worn my mask and now we're crossing. So we have entered finally and we're going over here. So friends, finally we have done our work and we are going to one of the tea shops to have something because we have to have something if we have out, because without eating how a machine will run, right? So I think you are getting what my point is. So let me cross this. There are many cars coming and passing by. See, passed finally, and we are going to scooty and my nephew will take it out. My nephew is crossing the road. Actually I am training him. He has no idea how to cross road, so I have given some idea, so he will do it. Actually he is taking so much time because he has no experience, and that's why I have given him the chance to dare actually, because if you don't be courage enough to take action, then how can you manage to be successful in any field? So this is kind of thing. So he has crossed finally. I'm gonna cross now, being very careful and looking both sides of the road. And here on the left side there is nothing, but the right side there are some cars and bikes are approaching, are proceeding. Here I have crossed now, and you know guys, let's go. This is the bridge, and on the other parts of the bridge we will have something there. Straight, yes. Don't forget to lock carefully. Yes. And looking at the both direction. We're about to cross the breezy road. Here there are lots of vehicles coming and going. Being very careful. We have to go to that tea shop, and the name of it is Sosti, and it means in English is relaxation, and you can understand it as rest as well. So to the rest, to the relaxation we have entered, and here we have to get to a free table. Here we finally set up, and now we are going to have something here. So we are going to have samosa and tea. There is a problem that we can't limit out. That's why it's a little hard to manage the camera. Anyway, I have to do it somehow. Let me set it well first, and then I will have. Okay, here this is my nephew, and I am here. So before having, we are going to wash our hands. So let's go to wash our hands, and we are ready to have. Now the items are being prepared, and once it will be prepared, we will get to have it. I want to say something about the bank that I couldn't show you the place, and because you already know that being filmed in bank is not allowed. That's why I couldn't film there and couldn't show the place. It's very nice because the samosa is very hot, and this tea is also steaming. So it is a nice snack, I would say. And the taste is also nice. Actually, you know guys, we are missing now something that we have left. We have forgot to drink that. Last night, in the refrigerator, I put a bottle of water to be that cool, but unfortunately I have forgotten that. And this is the last part of the samosa, and we are coming to the end of this meal. And this is the last one, but still we have a little tea. And this is the last part of my samosa, and here we go. And this is a glass of water. This is not as fresh that I was about to bring with me, but we have to manage with this anyhow. And I have to wash my hands out there. Hold this. Okay. Perfect. Now take this. Let me take out my handkerchief, and I'm gonna wash my water out of my face. And here I'm wiping my fingers as well. Okay, now it's cool. Let my nephew wash his hands. He's washing his hands. Now we have done all the stuffs that we had to do, and we are going home. At this point, this vlog ends, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel and like the video, and comment if you want to say something and recommend something, and if you enjoyed it. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.